Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to share an article in the Temu app. First, let's open up the app. Here it opens up in the home menu where we have some suggestions, and let's say we found an item that we find particularly interesting or cool. Let's say this cup holder that you can fit to your ventilation system in your car. And we were thinking that maybe this would benefit one of our friends, and this is how we send it. In the top right corner we have this little send button. We tap on this, and here we can either copy the link that leads to this item, or we can select one of these options. It's either message, Facebook, Messenger, WhatsApp, X, direct messages, or if we tap on more, we will find a few more ways to share this item with someone. But yeah, that's basically how you can share an item from the Temu app. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.